How do you secure a massive compound without building a literal fortress? High walls and heavy barbed wire scream prison, not professional facility. When you are planning a large-scale layout, heavy fortifications aren't your only line of defense. You can actually design the environment itself to repel unauthorized access before they even reach a security gate. Want to know the psychological trick behind it? See Part 2. Welcome to Part 2. The strategy is natural access control, a core principle of CPTED. It relies on spatial definition rather than physical force. By strategically placing walkways, manipulating lighting, and utilizing landscaping, we subconsciously direct human movement. We guide authorized personnel smoothly while creating organic, psychological barriers for intruders, effectively limiting access to restricted zones. Let's apply this to a real master plan in Part 3. Part 3. The reality check. When planning an integrated base camp, you must separate public commercial areas from highly sensitive operational zones. Using natural access control, you align the main roads and utilize visual barriers like elevation changes. Visitors naturally stay in the designated reception zones, never even wandering near the billeting areas. It's invisible security, fully integrated, right into your site development plan. Welcome to the final chapter of our Arkitrivia trilogy. Over the past few episodes, we've unraveled a massive architectural secret. Heavy fortifications aren't your only line of defense. We learned that high walls and heavy barbed wire scream prison, not professional facility. Instead, we introduced you to natural access control, a core principle of CPTED, crime prevention through environmental design. We saw how it relies on spatial definition rather than physical force. But the big question remains, how do you take these grand concepts and practically apply them to your own upcoming projects? The best practical approach starts with the elements you are going to build anyway. You don't need to add expensive security gadgets right away. You just need to design the environment itself to repel unauthorized access before they even reach a security gate. Here is how you do it practically. The landscaping strategy. By utilizing landscaping, we subconsciously direct human movement. Instead of cold concrete, use dense, thorny shrubs or tiered garden beds to establish perimeters. These create organic, psychological barriers for intruders. The power of illumination. Next is manipulating lighting. You can highlight the safe, approved paths for visitors while leaving restricted zones in the shadows. This naturally guides authorized personnel smoothly across the property. The second practical step is mastering spatial definition. When planning a large-scale layout, or even a modest commercial space, you must separate public commercial areas from highly sensitive operational zones. You achieve this by utilizing visual barriers like elevation changes. A simple set of terraced steps or a raised foundation signals to the human brain that they are entering a private domain. By strategically placing walkways and aligning the main roads, visitors naturally stay in the designated reception zones. They will intuitively find the front desk, never even wandering near the building areas that are off limits. The ultimate practical approach is ensuring these elements aren't afterthoughts. This is invisible security, fully integrated right into your site development plan. Whether you are designing an integrated base camp, a corporate office, or your dream family home, this strategy works. By limiting access to restricted zones through design rather than force, you create spaces that feel open, welcoming, and luxurious, all while remaining incredibly secure. You effectively eliminate the need for intimidating fortresses. Translating these psychological tricks and site development plans into reality takes precision and expertise. Every piece of land is unique. and getting the spatial definition and natural access control just right is an art form. That is why we highly encourage you to look for and consult with your local architects. Let the professionals help you with your plans. A local architect understands your environment, your building codes, and how to seamlessly weave this invisible security into your specific project, ensuring your space is both beautiful and safe. Thank you for joining us on this Arkitrivia journey. If you learned something new from this trilogy and want to keep expanding your edutainment library, please hit that subscribe button and follow our channel. Share this video with anyone planning a build, and we'll see you in the next architectural discovery.